Hey, good morning. My name is Teresa. Welcome to my channel. Another week working from home, but before I begin working, I like to work out and get my body moving. For the past 2 weeks, I've been doing exercises for my lower back. I am feeling much better and relieved. So today I am going to do upper body weights and feel depending on how I'm feeling and how my body progress, I will do more little by little and mix it up a bit. So here we go. So this was a bit challenging. So I know going forward what I need to do, modify and use lighter weights. It's best to do it without the weight vest because I'm just starting out with the weights. So tomorrow I will continue with the same exercise, maybe not, but start with lighter weight like the wrists and something that is more manageable. I was able to modify to suit my needs and my desire, but tomorrow we will begin again this same exercise, sort of. But for now, I'm gonna pack this up and continue on for the rest of the day. And I'll take you along with me, of course. After a nice cold shower, I am here to set up the computer and then I go have breakfast because one of the programs takes forever to open. It's like a computer within a computer. So the system needs a type of verification, so I guess I will wait until they approve it. But for now, I'm just gonna sit and enjoy my tea. It's not a drill. I'm running down because there is an earthquake, maybe. Way to start the first day of work with earthquake. If there was no adventure, what would this be? Did someone say tea, please? Tea, please. Tea, please. So it's lunchtime. The morning into afternoon is a little stressed, but guess what? It's a big break. I am gonna warm up the soup I made for dinner yesterday. Yesterday I made soup. And so I'm gonna warm up the leftovers. It's not a lot. Gonna warm this up. Go wash my hands. The soup smells so nice. The kitchen smells so amazing. Oh my goodness. I said the cake because on Mother's Day, my friend's mom asked me to do something for her because she's not able to make it in town. And so I was on the phone with the organizers about cake. So cake is on my mind, but we're not having cake. We're having soup. Soup pressure, soup pressure. Ooh, I almost spilled the soup. This is where I like to sit, and baby girl like to sit where I sit. Just finished with lunch, and I am back at my desk. Lunch was delicious. Well, after lunch I rest. Lunch was delicious. How many times am I gonna say that? And of course I'm having tea. Tea, please. Tea, please. Yeah, I have been thinking about training is over and we are actually doing the work and putting what we were trained to use. And it's not so bad. It's not so bad. I can say training is officially finished. It's just that we're putting what we got, the learning, putting the training into practice, and create my own structure and system accordingly. So that's what I'm working on. These past couple of hours is after 2 now, and we started around 10. We were supposed to start at 9, but there was an earthquake, so our trainer had us take a moment to gather ourselves and get back in the groove of work. So yeah, now I have to create my own structure. So I'm taking a break. I just had to deal with a customer. It was quite tense, but it wasn't so bad. It was a good call, so I'm proud. I did better this time compared to earlier. In the meantime, in between time, your girl is gonna clean up the kitchen. I took out fish. I'm gonna prepare fish. Not right now, but I am gonna cook for tomorrow. But you know, I like to cook in a clean kitchen. I'm gonna organize some of the stuff. Yeah, so that wasn't so bad, that wasn't so bad. So I have the fish here thawing out. I want to prepare it in the oven. I love my oven. I like baking everything, even though I'm not a baker. It's just faster. I don't have to do much. So yeah, that's that. Is over for today. I have done my work and I've done my play. I am going to a flower shop which I hope is open to check on floral arrangement for a friend. Her mom asked me to do this, and so I have to honor and respect the elders. And if this one is not open, I have to find another one, but for now, let's go to the first option. So I wasn't able to get the flower shop. Well, the flower shop is not there anymore. But I came to the Sanborns to get gifts for the teachers. It's a day for getting gifts. I'm back home. I'm gonna prepare cauliflower and fish. The fish I'm gonna prepare. This is the chicken, the fish that I season. I'm gonna lay it out here and then put it in the oven. So this is the fish I finished. I'm gonna end here by saying see you tomorrow. I have cauliflower in the oven. Let me show you what it looks like. I'm gonna turn the light on. This is what it looks like. Tomorrow I'll share that, but I wanna go brush my teeth. Well, I wanna wind down. Thank you for spending the day with me. Goodbye.